12.12. More about pass by value and pass by address. Now, I explained both the concepts, pass by value and pass by address. In previous two programs, I explained. Now, we have to understand the real difference of that. That's why 3 more programs I am giving. Actually, when you pass by values to a function, then their photocopy, suppose A's value we pass, their photocopy is made into X. Then X value increment or decrement or you do anything, it is not reflected in A. In functions chapter I explained, A's copy is being made in X. If you make any changes on X, A will not be affected. That is the concept pass by value. Pass by address, it is not, you are not making copy. Now you are passing and A. Then who is receiving? Now PA is receiving a pointer. Pointer, by this you are creating an alias to this. Alias to this. Here its a copy is being made. Here you are creating, it is not copy, it is same. Now you have two names like that. You are one person having two names like this. Here it is not that. Its value is copied into this. So if you make any changes in this, it will those changes will not be reflected in A. In this, any changes you make, those changes are reflected in this. Why it is reflected? Both are one and same. Already I proved it. Whatever, now just try to recall V star PV. Both are one and same. It is alias. Whatever change you make plus 5, the same plus 5 is affected here. You make minus 10, the same thing is reflected here. So, by the 3 points, you have to carefully study. My role is very limited because so much spoon feeding will not do. Here, you try to understand the difference. Here, 12.8. 12.8, what we are doing here, volume of the cylinder we are finding out. Volume of the cylinder we are finding out. R is 5, H is 10, and 15th line, we have parameterized macros wall we created, and we found out the volume of the cylinder, and we got the value. See the output, because we have used percentage G. That's why in a exponentation form it is printed. Already I told you, percentage G conversion specifier if you use for certain values, it print in floating point type without trailing zeros, and some cases it prints in exponentation form, so that is printed. Thereafter, what you are doing, you are passing the values, and cell volume function received it and calculated the value, and you got the volume. You got the volume, and that is a different volume. That is a different volume, and and now actually here again after function call, you are again calculating volume. You got the original one. You got the original one. That point you have to observe here. So that is the difference. Actually, the values, the copy of the values are made in the formal argument, but original values never be reflected. That is the reason first output and last output are one and same, and whatever value is calculated in body of the function, it is different. That point you have to remember. Why it is different? You here, why it is different also you can understand. 26, 27, 28, there R value is assigned to H value is assigned to R. That is swapped the values of R and H. That's why within the body of the function you got a different volume, and After functional call is over also, if you calculate the volume with the actual arguments, you got the original result only. By that, what is concluded? Pass by value, only copies are copied into the formal arguments, but original whatever changes are made on formal arguments will not be reflected on the actual arguments. That point to remember. Carefully study the code. And 12.19 here, pass by address. Pass by address. Now one point you have to remember. Prototype you see. Prototype difference also you have to observe. 7th line. Now float star, just like that, float you cannot write. You have to write float star, because float star only can receive it. So now what you are doing, same program. Now before function call, you calculated volume of the cylinder, that is one value has come. Thereafter, in 17th line, you pass the addresses of R and H, and they go to 24th line, PR and PH. There, star PR, star PH used and swapped the values and calculated the value, and you got a different volume. And thereafter, after function call, again you have calculated the volume, you got the second value. Now only thing is, if you are able to compare 12.18 and 12.19, you can understand the real impact of pass by value and pass by address. This is very crucial. It is very difficult for me to explain everything. I cannot inject. But only thing is, gradually, step by step, I am explaining the concept, but you have to make your own effort. Everything is not so easy to understand. Sometimes you have to make a probe. Otherwise, you write the program. When you write the program, all your doubts are clarified. And here you see one more program, swapping program only, and same values I have given. Swap by value, swap by address, in the same thing I have given. Now you see, original actual values are A5, B10. First, which call I made? 12. Swap by value, AB I made. Because of that, actually, what is happening? After swap by value call, again A's value is 5 and B's value is 10. Because of the function call, there is no change. And next you see 16th line, swap by address, and A and B you made, and because of that, actual values in the main you have written the values and the actual values are changed. So by swap by value, only copies are being made. That's why original values are not affected. But in swap by address, only aliases are created. That means nothing but these values are passed. Then that's why you can find the reflection. So by studying this point, the three programs, and get a thorough knowledge, because the very important concept, it is a foundation for understanding many advanced concepts, and thoroughly understand. And if you have any doubt still not clarified, and you pose your question should be very clear. Then in my web book, I will give you the correct explanation. And as far as my explanation is concerned, an average student can understand that. If you have any doubt, don't feel hesitant to ask your doubt, but your doubt should be clear. Your doubt is clear. In some other aspect, I will explain this concept.